Unit Converter and Calculator is an Android application designed to assist users in converting a wide range of units and performing calculations effortlessly. This app is especially useful for students, professionals, and anyone who frequently deals with measurements across different systems, such as metric and imperial. The application typically allows users to convert various types of units, including but not limited to length, weight, temperature, area, volume, and currency. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to select the units to convert and enter the values, providing quick and accurate results. In addition to unit conversion, the app often features a built-in calculator for performing calculations related to different measurements. This can include operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, enhancing its utility as a comprehensive tool for mathematical tasks. Overall, Unit Converter and Calculator is an essential app for anyone needing a reliable and convenient way to perform conversions and calculations on the go.